What's going on YouTube? So I had got with a custom jeweler, Royalty Teeth Labs. We got together and we came up with this dope ass design, this dope ass idea that we wanted to do to match the car. So he hit me up last night, told me that it's ready, it's good to go. I haven't seen it, I'm excited to see it. So I'm on my way to go ahead and pick that up and show y'all what it's rocking with. But like I said, new bottom grill, match the car, custom one of one. You know how I gotta do it, how Swag Pack Shack gotta do it. So I'm on my way there now, and once I get there, we gonna see what's up.
Is it a strength?
Now it's hard to be me, but it feel good to be me. I need more blue cheeks, I need keys to the streets. I can go wherever I want, do whatever I want, be whoever I want. I'm tryna be king of the streets. Now it's hard to be me, but it feel good to be me. I need more blue cheeks, I need keys to the streets. I can go wherever I want, do whatever I want, be whoever I want. I'm tryna be king of the streets.
Like, comment, subscribe, rock with your boy. Let's get it. The time has come, y'all. Royalty Teeth Labs has finally pulled up with that new heat. Go ahead and shout yourself out, bro, and tell them what it is you're doing. Yes, sir. Where can they find you at?
They can find me at royalteethlab.com and Greenbrier Discount Mall.
Greenbrier Discount Mall, y'all. We about to go ahead and check out this hardware that we've been waiting for this for a minute. It's one of a kind, you know what I'm saying? So we about to go ahead and check it out. You see he getting all gloved up.
Yeah.
Getting all gloved up. Yes, sir.
All right. Hold that.
Yeah. Y'all see that right there? Y'all see that? He gotta take it off the mold, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna fit tight. Alright.
Alright. Yes, sir. 1% 10. You can look.
Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Got the white and blue diamonds on there. Got the opals. They glow in the dark, right?
Yeah, they glow.
They glow in the dark. So I'm gonna definitely get y'all some footage of that. But you see that customness, one of a kind Swag Pack Shack grill. You know what I'm saying? Done by Royalty Teeth Lab. Y'all see what we doing? Y'all see what we doing? Make sure y'all check them out. Royalty Teeth Lab. I'm gonna get y'all some glow in the dark footage and all that stuff. You got it
inside? Is it something? Okay. I got
it's in there. Y'all see the diamond report right here. Y'all see that diamond report. Give me the appraisal and all that stuff on how much it's worth and how much all that stuff costs. You got anything you want to tell them?
royalteethlab.com, man.
Y'all heard him. Y'all heard him. He one of the only people out down here doing the two tones with the opals and the glow in the dark and all that
glowing,
stuff. Yeah, so y'all gotta definitely. Do I gotta activate it or anything like that, or it's just like it'll just glow?
I'm about to give it to you.
Oh, the light? Okay, cool. Yeah, so I'm gonna definitely get y'all some footage of that thing glowing in the dark and all that good stuff. So you know what I'm saying? Yeah, let's get it.
There you go. It come with it. That's you.
There you go, right there.
Yeah.
Just activate it up and then go in the dark and then it's glowing. You know what I'm saying? Y'all go. Custom grill done by Royalty Teeth Labs. I'm about to go ahead and activate it and show y'all what it's all about. Show y'all how to use it and how it all look and all that stuff. With anything glow in the dark, there's usually some type of light that you gotta use to activate it. Sunlight, UV light, black light, whatever. So I just turn this on. I'll turn this thing on. There you go. Okay. So I turn it on, activate the teeth, and I'm gonna show y'all what it is. Activate that thing. Hit this light. Oh, you can see even with the light on. Y'all see it. Y'all see it, but oh yeah, that's cold. Yeah, that's cold. Y'all just Man, I'm telling you, it's something crazy going on right now, boy. Ooh, wee. Yes, sir. Let's see how long the activation lasts, though. It looked like it lasts a good amount of time. Let me see. So it looked like the darker opals are fading faster than lighter opals. Let me. Activate that thing one more time. Yeah, y'all see it though. Y'all see it. So we'll go ahead and test it. You know, I got my diamond tester, so you definitely gotta make sure all your stuff is legit. And I'm showing you that Royal Teeth Labs is legit. So, y'all heard that beat? Y'all heard that beat? You know what I'm saying? So, y'all see what it is. Royal Teeth Labs, they hooked me up. Make sure y'all go ahead and check them out. But before y'all go, like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, and rock with your boy, huh, Katie? Rock with your boy. He said he getting one next. So y'all stay tuned.